Okay, so this is called table. This one.
Okay.
Yes, so many times we need to use table like this to write data. For example, see here, there is a this is the table. Here we can write serial number, roll number, name of the student, then their mark, total percentage. Or sometimes for your reports also you need to write expenses, name of particulars, then item rate, item price, total. In this way you need to design a table. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to learn how to uh, create new table, or if you have already table in your document, how to control it. So I'm going to new page now.
You go to table.
Okay, see, this is the new page. Now if I want a table in this page, you should go to insert menu. Here in insert we have already seen how to take picture, insert picture, then
Yeah.
how to take shape, and then how to take this text box. So using these three, you can design a pamphlet or any flyer that I have already shared in your group. Okay, later you do that. Now
Yeah.
we'll learn how to insert a table. Here, go to insert. Here you have the option table. This one. So you can click here. Now here you will find this drop down menu, and here you will find these squares are there. These squares. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just go here and click. I'll get table here. I'll tell you how to do it, but before that we must know what is table. So tables are these horizontal lines and vertical lines. When they cross or when they intersect, then the we get table here, right? So these vertical lines. So this is called column. Column one, column two, column three,
Yeah.
and then we have rows also. This row one, first row, second row, third row, in this way. So table is composed of columns and rows. So these vertical lines are called columns, horizontal lines are called rows. And this is the column. So for this column, this rectangle, see, you find rectangles in that table. These small rectangles are called cells. These are called cells. So
Yeah.
this is cell 1, this is cell 2, cell 3. So you whatever you write it in a cells. Cell 1, 2, cell 3, cell 4, cell 5, cell 6. So our one row has 6 cells. Cell 6. Again here cell 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In this way it goes. So these rectangles are called cells. If you put all the cells vertically, then you get a column here. See, cell 1, cell 3, cell 4. These, if you put all the cells vertically, you get a column. If you cell put if you put them horizontally in this way, you get entire row.
Row.
All right. So table is composed of column and rows, and individual these rectangles are called cells. So what is written in cell 1? What is written in cell 1?
Yeah.
Yes.
Nothing is written. Blank.
Is this blank cell?
Yeah. Cell one only is written.
Yes, in cell 1 I have written cell 1. What is written in the last cell of this table?
Six. Cell six.
Listen carefully. Last cell of this table, not last cell of this row, last cell of this table, which is this last cell. Now I am writing,
Nothing.
see, now it was nothing there, now I wrote here a. See, remember, for table, this is the first row. In the first row, this is first cell where I have written cell 1. First row, last cell, I have written cell 6. Now this one is the last row. Row number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row number 5 is our last row, and it has last cell where A is written, and which is itself a last cell of this table. So this is first cell, this is last cell. Understood or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, see, this red text is written in cell 1. This A is written in the last cell of the table. So these are called cells, and these you can control. Now I tell you how to take this table. Insert. So here in the new page, I'm going
You can
insert.
adjust the size of the cells.
Sorry.
Can you adjust the size of the
Yes,
cells?
I'll tell you how to do it. First, we'll understand how to insert it, then sizing and formatting. So here, go to insert first. Here you have table option. Click. Now you will see these cells are here all. See, if I go on first cell, you get one cell on page. Again, I'm going here, moving the mouse. You get two cells on page, three cells, four cells. Okay, so I have put four cells. So there is one row. Now I want second row, just drag down mouse. Second row, third, fourth. In this way you can add. Understood? See,
Yes.
insert table. Then select first cell.
Click.
You get only one cell on the page. Second cell, you get two cells, three, four. In this way you can add cells, and these cells becomes columns when you drag it down in this way. See. Now I have one, two, three, four, five, six columns. So I'm writing one here, two here, three, four, five, six, and here one, two, three, and four. So we have total six columns and four rows. Now tell me number of cells in this table. How many number of tails are there in this table?
24.
Yes, very good. 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, these 6, 6, and 6. So you can multiply columns. See, there are 6 columns. 6 columns. Columns multiplied by 4 rows. You get 6 into 4, 24 cells. Understood? Now these are all
Yes.
cells, 24 cells. Now I am selecting some cells. Tell me how many cells I have selected now.
6,
One, 2, 3, 4,
8.
5, 6, 7, 8. So whenever you are selecting any cells, or whenever I ask how many cells are there, you should count how many columns are selected. One, two. Two columns are selected. How many cells are selected? Rows are selected. Rows. Two, one, two, three, four rows. These are rows. One,
Yeah.
two, three, four rows. One and two columns. So 4 into 2, you get 8. So 8 cells are there total in the selection. Okay, just remember this, vertically it is called columns, 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 and horizontally they are called
Yeah.
rows, and
Rows.
intersection of column and row is called cell. So this is
Cell.
intersection. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. Now here I am writing roll number. For example, roll. Here I'll write name. Here For example, I'm writing English
Subject.
subject names, maths, and accounts. Here I'm writing total. Okay, so in this table you can write roll numbers. Here you can write student name, then their marks respectively. For example, I'll write
I don't remember. Everything.
all right. English marks. How many marks do you want, sister? Will you for English out of 100? 100? No, I won't give 100. I'm giving 99. Sister Melba, mischievous one. I'm giving only 10 to her.
First of all, my name is wrongly spelled.
Okay, so okay. Now for this,
You have to
as
give
you are
me
complaining, I'm giving only 9 marks now. Sister Valerie.
Melba, no Melaba.
Okay, is that like this?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, good. So for maths, how many marks you want? I'm just writing here random marks now.
Yeah.
And here,
Maths.
so now here you need to add them up total. So
Okay.
this is the table now. So in this table we have student name, then marks of all the subjects. All right. Now, now how we'll understand how to add columns, how to delete columns. If you don't want any column, you can delete it. If you want more columns, you can add it. For example, now I want to add one more subject here. Now there are only three subjects: English, Maths, and Accounts. I need to add one more subject. So you can add one extra column using this table tools over here. See, whenever you take any table, see, I'm clicking here out of this table. The cursor is here. You can't see that menu here, table tools. If your table is selected, that means your cursor is in the table. Now you get this table where you will find design and layout. There are two options. Okay, so as see beforehand we have already learned, if you take any shape in this way and if the shape is selected, you get this format menu. If shape is not selected, now that format will disappear. In the same way, if you take table, you get this table menu. All the commands related to the tables are here in this table tools,
Okay.
but this will appear only if you are in a table. That means your cursor is somewhere in the table. If now the cursor is here, if you click outside, that will disappear here. Then you will start finding where it is. But if you want that table, you should always go in the table first. Click anywhere in the table on any cell, then you get this table here. All right.
Yeah.
Now here you have this design and layout, two options. Now I have selected this table. Here you will find one more handle here. See, this one is called table handle. Above this roll there is a handle. My mouse pointer, if goes there, it becomes four-headed black arrow. See, four-headed arrows. So this is used to move table on the page. This is called table handle. You can move that here. See, in this way, using this table handle you can move table anywhere you want. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. Now there is one more button here near last cell. Here you will find a square. This is called sizing handle. See, this is the shape, and we had these points for resizing them. So if I want to resize, I can use this. In the same way, you can resize this table using this sizing handle. See,
Okay.
press and drag. In this main, you can move it using this table handle, and this is sizing handle. Understood now?
No.
Okay. Now there are some columns. These the width is small. Here width is little bit more. Small width, then more width. So I want more width for name column, because if I want to write full name, I'll write something here. So to adjust width of any column, width, you can see here, this is the column line here, this vertical line. You can place your mouse pointer on that line, then it becomes, see, black arrow, two-headed black arrow. It should become in this way. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
In this way, see, it becomes two-headed black arrow. Press mouse button and drag. In this way, you can adjust width of any.
Correct.
So if you find it hard to do this way, here you can see there is a ruler over here. Ruler. Can you say it? One, two, three is written. This ruler.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes.
So now table 1, this line first, after this row we have line for this, same line goes here, and here you have one point. See, if I go on that point, your mouse pointer becomes two-headed arrow, white arrow. You can press and drag, and you can adjust that column width as per your need. In this way, here, see, this line, see here, this line goes here, I have point here, press and drag. English, here I have point here. So sometimes you don't find ruler on your computer, this ruler. Here also we have ruler. So this ruler is kept here in view menu. View, ruler. See, this tick mark is on. If I take it off, see, there is no ruler over here. If you want ruler to be seen here on your screen, go to view menu, then ruler. You get ruler here.
Sir,
Yes, do you want to ask something?
why blank?
I can't listen to you properly.
No, sir, continue.
Okay, continue. Fine. So to adjust column width of any column, you should go here. See here. This line. Now English column name is English. I want to adjust column width. So you can always go to this line. Here you can adjust in this way, or you can go here. On the ruler, there are points you can adjust using this. In this way. In the same way, you can adjust height of these rows. Now this is the height. So I want to adjust height. Go to this horizontal line. After it becomes two-headed arrow, you can drag it down. See, same thing I can do here. See, this line has point here on this ruler. If I go on this ruler, it becomes wide two-headed arrow. Press and drag in this way. Is this understood? How to adjust height and width of column?
Yeah.
Good. So now you know how to adjust this width and height of the row. Now I'll tell you how to add columns. Now for example, I need to add one more column here. I want to add one more subject between English and maths. So you can keep cursor anywhere in English or in maths. So if I keep the cursor on maths here, that means this column is active. Now if I add column, the computer will ask you, do you want column at left side or the right side of the cursor? So in this way, see, I am clicking here, I'm going to this table tools, layout option, layout. Here you have option insert left, insert columns to the left of this cursor. So I can click here, you get one more column here. See, again insert left. In this way you can get columns. I'm just decreasing the size of text so that you can understand all this. See in this way. See, these are these two columns we have just added. See, now if you want to add row, for example, you want to add here Sister Catherine now. Only there are only three names, and I want to add one more name here down. So I need one more row here. So I can add. See, click on anywhere in this line on in this row. Click anywhere. Now you need one row below this row. So go to layout. See, insert below. You get one more row. See, insert below. If you want one more row, insert below. If you want above, for example, the sister, this Valerie and this Melba. Now I want one more row here. So I'm clicking here. Now I want one row above Sister Valerie's name. So I'm selecting this insert above in this way. So you can take it anywhere. You can add number of rows. Is this understood?
Yeah.
Yes. Now,
Yes.
now to remove. Now sometimes what you feel that this is the table and there you have added more rows or these rows are not needed. So I'm selecting these two rows. See, in this way, select these rows, go to layout here, and here you have option delete. Open it, delete columns, delete rows. I am going to delete rows. So click on delete rows. These two rows I don't want, select them together. Go to delete rows. Now these two columns I don't want. I'm selecting these two columns and then layout, delete columns. If you want to delete entire table, go to layout, delete table. See, table is deleted. Now if I want that table back, what should I do?
Undo.
Very good. It is Control Z. I get it back. So in this way we can add columns, delete columns also. Okay, so I want one more row over here. Here I want one more row. So I'm going to insert it using layout. What should I use? Insert above or below?
Above.
Yes, insert above. So I get row here. Now I want to write title for this table. It is the result, right? So I want to write result. If I write it here result, I have written it the cell number 2, but I don't want this partition. I want these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cells. I want to make it only one cell because I can write title to the of this table here. So I want to remove all these partitions. So I can merge all the cells together. These 6 cells can be merged into one. How? Select the cells you want to merge, select, go to layout here. Here you will find option merge cells. Click. Now see these cells are merged now. Now here you can write anything you want. Result of 12th standard or whatever you want to write in this way. So you can merge cells. Again I want one more row here down here. So I'm see here I want one more row. So I'm going to layout, insert below, one more insert below. Here I'll add one, this two, this is three, four, Catherine. Alright, here I'm adding numbers. Okay, now here I want to total here total or something. I want to write something else. So what I can do, I can merge them together. See, select the three cells, go to merge cell. In this way you can merge it. If you want to merge these two, select them together, go to layout and merge. So in this way this table design goes. Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now sometimes you need to, as we have merged cells, you can add more cells to it also. You can split cells. For example, here there is only one cell. You want to split it into more cells. So click that cell, go to layout, split cells. Click, and here you can tell number of columns you want. Here you can create two columns, three columns, four columns. See, I want number of columns 5. Click OK. You get 5 columns in that cell. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you want, see, go to layout, split cells. Number of columns I want 3. Number of rows I want 3. In this cell only last cell itself. I'm clicking OK. You see here there are 3 columns created. One, 2, 3, and 3 rows. So in this way you can split cells also and you can merge also. Sometimes you need to merge this part. So select this, go to layout and merge. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the last command for the table is, you can split table also. For example, this is the table and I want two tables. For example, up to sister Melba, this name, there will be one table and one more table from this sister value number 3 4. There will be two tables now. If I split this table using, see, I want to split it from here 3. So I'm going to layout. Here you have split table. Click it. So you get now two tables. See, this is first table, this is second table. You get this table, separate table handle for every table, so that you can understand that they are two tables. Again, this last row I want to make it different table. So I'm clicking it here. I will split it from this point. Layout, split table.
Layout,
See, now there are three tables out of one. One, two, three. Got it?
split table.
It is split table here. So by the time we have seen how to delete column, row and table. Then how to insert rows, insert above, insert below here. How to insert column, how to insert column at the right. How to merge cell, how to split cell, and how to split table. Okay, and now this is a sample table. You want a design for this table, click on table anywhere. In table tools, go to design tab. Here we were in layout, now go to design, and here, go here, you can select. Wait a minute.
The click lines are gone. Ziploc.
Okay, so if you want to, if you want ready-made design for a table, once you create table, once you design it, just go to design menu, open this table styles, and there are various styles available here. You can select any, it will be automatically formatted. For the second table, select, go to design. Here, see, there are various styles automatically you can use. Do you understand this?
Yes.
All right,
Yeah.
then rest of the commands we will see next time. Now you please practice only this, how to create table, then how to add columns and everything. I'll send you one picture in the group for assignment for this table. You have to create the table like that and then share it into group again. Akanksha will tell you how to do this. Yeah. Okay, see you then. I'm stopping now.